All right, so our problem of the day today is mainly an exercise in vocabulary, right? Because it's a pretty simple concept once you get the idea. So there are two math words, odd and even. And what they're referring to is they're going to be referring to the last digit, the ones digit in a number. Okay, so let's just focus on the ones for now. So here are all the possible ones digits. You could have a 1, you could have a 2, you could have a 3, you could have a 4, you could have a 5, you could have a 6, you could have a 7, you could have an 8, you could have a 9, and technically you could have a 0, though the 10 doesn't really matter, because a 10 you can always break into 5 and 5. I'll get to that. My question is, are these numbers odd or even? Okay? So hold on a second. I don't want to... Okay, I see what I've done. All right, so think about the number 1. 1 coin, 1 block, 1 candy bar. The idea here is if you only have 1 candy bar, you can't really share it very easily between 2 people, right? Unless you're going to break it, right? And we'll get to that in fractions. But ones are odd. It's left out. Imagine you're in gym class and you're the only one there. You would have no one to play with, no partners. Odd means no partner. Okay? So 1 is always an odd number. That means if the number in the back, the ones place, right here, is a 1, it's always odd because you're always going to have one person alone. 2, though, is not that way because if you have 2 people in gym, you can play together. 2 is a different idea. 2 is even. That means you have a partner. What do you think about 3? Get rid of that glove there. What do you think about 3? 3 means that these 2 can play together, but this guy over here doesn't have a partner. So 3 is odd again. But 4, oh, can I even do that? Even. See? So it's going to go odd, even, and then you get one more. You're odd again. Then he gets a partner, even. So 6 is even because you have 3 different groups of 2. 7 will be odd because you have 1 left over all by himself. And then 8, he gets a partner. So now we have 4 2s. That's even. 9 is an odd number, right? And then 10 would be even again because 0, believe it or not, is even. Because if you have 0, nobody's left out because there's nobody there. So let's take a look at some numbers and decide if they're odd or if they're even. So the number is 74. The 70 doesn't matter because you can always break that up into pieces because 10s are big. They're easy to break up into halves. But the 4 is the number we're dealing with. If you have 4, are you odd with 1 left out? Or are you even where everything is in a perfect pair? 4s are even because they can break very easily, right? How about 41? Here we have 1 in the ones place, all by itself. So you're in gym and you're that last person. You are odd. You don't have a partner. No partner. So this number was even. But anything with a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, a 9 is always odd if it's in the back. So what do you think of this then? 86, odd or even? Because of the 6, it is definitely even. Oh, look, I got 3 on this side. I have 3 on this side. That's even. I can make nice, even teams. This one is even. So the idea in our problem of the day today is odd or even, right? All right, quiz time. I've took away all the pictures now. 73. This is what a 3 breaks down to. Is that fair? You have 1 over here, and then you have 2 over there. No, that's not a, you can't match that up. This is definitely odd. You're going to have 1 left all to itself. What about this one? 82. No problem. We got one over here, one over there. They're a perfect pair. This number is even, right? And I could give you any number. Watch this. 1,586,234. None of these numbers matter. That's the only one that matters. Think about what's inside of a 4. Nice and even. Perfect. 2 on that side, 2 on that side. It's fair. It's even. This number is even because the last digit, the one in the ones place, is even. All right. Well, I hope you get that. I'll meet you on the next slide, everybody. Here we go.